to DinaLicious 101. Today I'm gonna bring you one of my easiest recipes to make, and that is my spinach pasta. Keep watching. So let's get started onto what you're going to need. I have diced up into little squares 2 chicken breasts, 2 bell peppers, 1 yellow, 1 red. You can choose whatever color you'd like, but this is just to give it more color instead of using green since my spinach is already green. Heavy whipping cream, and I'm gonna use one that has 16 ounces. 2 tablespoons of cilantro, half a tablespoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of consommé. This is the chicken powder. 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, half a tablespoon of pepper. We're gonna use 1 package of organic spaghetti. You could use any brand you'd like. And we are gonna use 1 full bag of spinach. Let's get started. The first thing we're gonna do is we are gonna put our spaghetti to boil. And as you can see here, I already had the water boiling, so I am good there. This should be done shortly. And the next thing we're gonna do is we are gonna put our chicken to cook. So you just wanna put a little bit of olive oil, not too much, just so it doesn't stick. And then you are gonna put your chicken that you chopped. And you are just basically going to stir fry it. And you don't want to put a lot of ingredients into this because our sauce is what's going to really have the flavor. So the only thing I do is I add a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. And don't worry about sticking to the pan, it won't. It's just the initial when you drop it. But this is also going to cook quickly. And I have this at medium-high heat, and I have my spaghetti at high heat. Because, ladies and gentlemen, we are not trying to be in the kitchen for 2 hours. So while we let this cook for a bit, and our spaghetti still has some to go, I have a few minutes to go on the spaghetti before I drain it. And this should be done within, I want to say 10 to 15 minutes. We're gonna go make our sauce meanwhile. Keep watching. All right, so we're gonna get started with our sauce right now. And basically we're gonna use this whole 16-ounce milk, the whipping cream. I'm gonna put that into your blender. And into this, we're gonna put, I like to use the whole bag of lettuce to leave it a little bit thick. And we're gonna start to blend. All right. So once we have this blended, we are gonna add the rest of our ingredients. We're gonna add half a tablespoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of dried cilantro, half a tablespoon of pepper, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. This is unsalted. And 2 tablespoons of chicken powder. And our sauce is done. So now I'm gonna go check up on my chicken and my spaghetti. Keep watching. All right, my lovelies, and I am back. So what I did is I put a few of the leftover spinach leaves into the pasta. Not a lot, just a little bit. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and pour my sauce in there. So then you're gonna mix this thoroughly with your chicken. So my chicken is thoroughly cooked already. All I need is for the sauce to cook. And I'm gonna add my bell peppers to it. So once this finishes cooking up, all I'm gonna do is, this is gonna take literally a few minutes, but I promise you guys, this is so good. All right guys, so once this is done, I will go ahead, like I said, put it into the spaghetti and I'll show you the final product. Keep watching. And this is our final product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me give you guys a little close-up. And all I did was put a little Parmesan cheese on top. But this is absolutely delicious. Now all I did was pour my sauce into the spaghetti at this point, and voila, we were done. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comment below. I hope you enjoyed this video. And as always, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for new videos each week. Here you go, little close up. You see the bell peppers, the chicken. Yum, yum. All right, thank you for watching. Bye.